You asked, how to divide 122,081 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 30,520 remainder 1.